About a year ago, a little bit over a year ago, I purchased my first Craftsman V20 powered tool. It was a little blower. I think it's the 90 mile an hour blower. A little basic blower. I got it to for my wife to blow off the front of the house, and I saw how easy it was to do without cords and gas and all that other stuff. So I decided I would start investing in the V20 Max series of tools and purchase a little bit heavier duty blower. They had a little blower trimmer combo that I bought, and over the year I purchased more and more of the tools to as tools broke and stuff like that. So what I decided I was going to do is just see how long the batteries lasted. And so I started a little chart. I don't know if you can see this little chart, if it comes in or not. But it's I started charting how often I charged my batteries just to see how long. My plan was to do a test and test new batteries versus old batteries just to see how they perform over time. So behold, a few weeks ago, all of a sudden my battery started dying, and I couldn't figure out what was going on. So I went online and I checked. There's all sorts of videos out there showing you how you can use a couple wires, and I think I've got one here where you can, on a battery wire, the positive, each battery has got 4 different slots. I don't know if you can see this. But the left slot is your plus and your right slot is your minus. So you have your positive and negative for your batteries. And then these 2 other slots that do different things. And so on one of the batteries, actually a couple batteries, I tried to balance them. So I plugged them into a new battery, positive to positive, negative to negative, let them sit for 15 minutes to see if that would get them going again. And I couldn't get them to charge. They were still dead. And then since I never read owner's manuals, if you look at the back of each battery, there's a little, you've got 4 little white slots and a little button you can push. And it shows you the charge of the battery. So 4 lights shows a fully charged battery. And as you use power, it drops down. So you can quickly pick up a battery and figure out how well charged it was. All of them showed fully charged, and so my balancing didn't work. So I gave up on that little project. But going back to my chart, I had batteries that I'd only charged twice. One that I bought recently. Which one was that? This one I bought in July of 24, and it's got a 2023 date code on it. It died after just 3 charges. But then my 5 amp hour battery that came in actually it was my second purchase. It came with a trimmer blower combo. Came with a 5 amp hour battery. And I charged that 34 times before it died. Other batteries I charged 23 times and it died. And 2 of them I charged 11 times and they died. So there seems not to be any consistency there. But I work them really hard. I live downtown with old oak trees and stuff like that, and this blower's pretty nice. It's not as heavy duty as my gas blower, but I switched to total battery power last year, and it takes me a little bit longer to blow off my yard and my driveway, but it does a great job. So I really work them real hard. A lot of times I'll run them till they totally die, and then I'll swap out to another battery pack. So I don't know what the deal is with their batteries other than they all have a 3-year warranty. So I called or emailed their warranty department. I went online. You go to their warranty page under Craftsman, and if you look at the verbiage, it says you can call, send an email, or click here to do it online. So you click there, do it online, and within less than 24 hours, I had responses that new replacements were on the way. Let me look at my notes here. On November 3rd is when I went online and created a return, and I got notice the next day that they were sending some out. And on the 8th of November, so it's 5 days later, I have started receiving replacement products. So far, I've gotten, of my 6 items that were dead, I've gotten 4. Now, one other item that did die, and I'm not sure what caused it, I've got a little 150 watt inverter where you can, I've got a separate video on this, but you can, let's see what model number it is. It's the, do they have it on here? It's CMC B1150. So it's a 150 watt inverter. It's great for doing charging cell phones. It does have a built-in flashlight on it. And this died, and I don't know if the battery killed it because I plugged it into another battery that was working fine and it died. So I may have had a defective battery that actually killed the inverter. But again, it all is covered under a 3-year warranty, and I've had replacements. I've got 2 more items I haven't gotten back. I haven't gotten back the inverter, and I haven't gotten back one of the 2 amp-hour batteries. But I'll say one thing is Craftsman stands behind their warranty, and the replacements were real quick. They said to expect up to 2 weeks, and I get them in 5 days. So I'm really impressed. Don't know what's causing the batteries to go bad, but I hit them real hard. You know, I work them till they die. So it could be that I'm pushing them too hard. So my plan on my next set of batteries is I'm just not going to push them till they die. Once when you're using your tool, you can feel it, you can hear it slowing down. So when it starts slowing down, I'm just going to stop it so it doesn't totally die and see if that helps make them last longer. But overall, I'm real impressed with their batteries. Their warranty service is excellent. Couldn't ask for anything better. And I appreciate you watching my rambling video, and I hope something good happens to you today. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Oh, if you got this far, if you like my videos, please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel. I try and do videos on tools and my projects around the house, and do work on my cars too, and my power tools. So if you like that kind of stuff, please subscribe to my channel, and I'd really appreciate it. Thanks again for watching.